Hey everybody, Eldritch Yeti here, and it's on Eldritch Yeti recording without some issues. So, in the test recording it looks good, but in the actual recording, part of the screen is not fully captured. And after talking to my co-host Jack about it, we decided A, because we don't play that often, and B, because we wanted the live reaction to still be there, that we're not going to be re-recording it. But that's going to be an issue for the first 5 episodes.
That works.
Alright.
Is there a store nearby?
Oh,
we still have 3. We haven't picked up any coins. It's just been boss battles.
because I think you get them only through the run levels. So
Yeah, no, we're pushing through. Forget it.
This
Carnival Kerfuffle.
This one, I fucking hate. It's my least.
It's that bad, huh?
Yeah.
A clown.
I mean, granted, I might be a better gamer than I was before.
Oof. What?
Yeah, now you already understand why I hate him so much.
Brother. 2, 3, 4.
See, like, there's like no rhyme or reason to like the way that he moves.
Are we able to skip this guy?
I don't know. Yeah, you can see why I hate him so much.
I can see why.
Oh. And see, I think because I played against him first when I was playing, and he's the reason why I stopped
Oh, I see. Before he's about to move, he cocks his head back.
Okay. Oh, come on.
That's what I'm saying. There we go.
Alright. And then we have to worry about the things that the like balloon heads and the train. It's like so much shit to worry about.
I see what you're saying. Clusterfuck is the name of the game.
Yeah. Oh. Mother bitch. Okay, that's phase 2 now. I don't remember.
Oh.
Yeah. So,
I jumped and they came out.
Knock knock. Who's there? Charlie? Charlie who? Charlie Horse.
Charlie Horse. Is not what I was expecting.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know where he was going with that one. That looks more like a donkey to me, but we're just gonna pretend. Come on. Space. Alright. I'm not feeling too terrible right now. Gotcha. I don't know if I can handle this thing up, so I'm going to wait for him to go into his next phase. Oh, come on. Alright.
Okay. Next phase.
So I do got a super duper move for him. And I didn't even jump. That was wasted.
Oh!
Oh my god.
I was like, yeah, no, I could just stick underneath him. What's gonna stop me? The train.
Yeah, and that's only halfway through.
The coaster.
The roller coaster. Oh, come on. I definitely popped that.
It's the ducks at the top that's realistically...
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay. Yeah, definitely a rougher start than last time, but... I'm gonna try to be optimistic, but who knows. Okay. dash is a shot.
Do you want to try another boss in the meantime?
Sure. I have no problem.
No problem, I.
Yeah.
Because this guy is just being annoying. Let's see.
But I do think we will have to come back to this.
I feel like we'll just be butting our heads against the wall until we get through it. Aviary action. Oh, shoot him up.
I think it's the plain one. Because he was telling us about the upgrade. Oh.
LB to switch weapon. Okay.
So it's like
Oh, I see.
only an angle. Oh, what the fuck?
Oops.
I did not mean to shoot that purple, pink one. Shit. Maybe I did. There we go. Oh, you were...
Yeah, wow, okay.
There.
I'm sorry, Bird. I was unfamiliar with your game.
Dude, I just want to roast him and eat him. That's all I want to do. I don't even know what he's going to taste like, but chances are, not too bad. Especially because he's not turkey. Oh, come on. I shot the wrong one. Alright, we're just gonna...
Okay, here come the feathers. Turn into a small blade and just dodge the fuck out of...
Oh, come on! Oh, I'm gone. It seems like that is the time to, like, I don't think you can hit him when he's doing this. At least it doesn't seem like it's effective. It seems like you have to hit him.
Yeah, I don't see any kind of feedback. But I do see how to dodge the eggs now. Just stick to the outside and try not to... What? I'm already down 2 hit points.
Yeah, I don't know if the bombs are more or less effective, but
I want to say they probably deal 2 or 3 bips of damage compared to the bullets.
Are you kidding me? Son of a bitch! Oh, thank you. We're just gonna... Oh, no.
You're good, you're good, you're good.
I was about to say, is the game just not gonna give that to me?
It's like, oh no, you're in the boss right now. Keep your eye on the ball.
Yeah, it seems like that's the only time to hit him, which sucks.
To be fair, this seems like a much easier time than the other shoot 'em ups.
Yes.
Just gotta lock the fuck in.
Alright, Captain, just lock the fuck in. Alright, oh. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. I am doing horrible this way. Thanks. Okay. So it seems like there's no... Yeah, I haven't plenty of shooting. Nice. Oh.
No.
Oh, I'm gone. Oh.
Again with the feathers.
And that's his whole shtick.
That's you.
Oh! No, you got it, you got it. Don't worry, I believe. Oh, see, look. Oh. Man.
Oh boy.
He looks sadistic here. He also has a huge head. He's like
fat baby. Oh my god.
he's like roided up Megamind or something. It surely is. As I prepared to punch Jack, my co-host. Not too bad, not too bad. At least I got him to the next phase.
Are you serious? Thought I had that.
Yeah, I don't think you can hit him at all when he's in that aggressive phase.
Alright.
This match will get red hot.
Will get red hot?
It's on.
Wallop.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, dude, you got...
Yeah, rocked.
Alright, just gonna... Yeah, detonate his finger. Like, I feel like a part of me is, like, maybe I should be respecting the, eggs more, but also, like, I don't care. I don't want to worry about that.
It's not that. Oops. Just keep going, just keep going.
Oh, no!
We're progressively getting worse at it because we're rushing a bit.
Yeah, we are rushing. Yeah, we gotta remember, we gotta...
Breathe!
Breathe, gamers, breathe. I know you guys are on the edge of your seats like we are.
Dodge the fuck out of that. There we go.
What? Oh, come on. How many times are you gonna freak out? How many more feathers do you have to lose? That's the real question.
Right? This turkey is practically ready to go in the oven.
I'm gonna try to save it. There we go.
There we go. Ah, boy.
Don't worry, I got this. Tell my family I love them. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh my god. Oh. Bastard. Big brain bastard. Okay. Oh, I missed. Oh. Oh.
Okay, bomb time.
Yep. Oh,
There we go.
amazing. Alright, what do we have next?
What?
Yep. Oh, thank you. Oh, come
Oh,
on.
that's annoying.
Oh, we have to hit.
Oh, you have to use the bombs. LB.
Oh, God. How close were we?
Okay, we definitely got a lot further.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd be more frustrated or less frustrated if I do it like right at the end.